My sweetie went to this incredible place and saw some very wonderful cars. And guess what? We're going to show you one right now!
Check out my many other videos of cars in this collection of hot rods and classics. I'm Victor Sane, and thank you for visiting Saneauto.
$1984 Mercury Cougar Tiffany.
Subscribe to our page Saneauto and check out our video on this Ferrari Mondial with 4-valve V8 engine. Check out our previous videos and join us on a tour of this 1969 Rolls-Royce. You can also join us on a tour of this 1984 Rolls-Royce. Or watch our previous video of this supercharged Chevy Coupe in our Chevy playlist. Or the supercharged Ford T-Bucket with Harley front wheels and brakes and Jaguar rear end. Find it and many other awesome cars on our Ford playlist on Saneauto YouTube. It's time for shoutouts for some fine people with some great YouTube channels who comment on our videos a lot and watch our videos a lot. Ja Debute and Casual Carolina Fishing. If you want a shout out too, first fill a YouTube channel with great content. Then watch and comment our videos. A lot. And if you want to return the shout out, that would be awesome. Watching our videos.
Gracias por ver nuestros videos.
If you've watched many of our videos, you'll notice we do a wide variety of vehicles.
Si usted lo vio algunos de nosotros videos, tú sabes que nosotros haga un montón de diferentes tipos de carros.
If you want us to film your vehicle, please let us know in the comments below.
Si usted le gusta nosotros filmar tu auto, por favor, deja tu comentario ahí abajo después de toque de campaña y inscribirse. Gracias.
Ciao.
Bye bye. Here's Victor to tell you about the wonderful vehicle in this video. Aquí está Victor para decirte todo sobre este maravilloso auto in the video.
Today's featured vehicle is a
Shelby.
Today's featured vehicle.
Supercharged Shelby.
Today's
And here's Victor to tell us about the wonderful vehicle in this.
I tried to be funny. That wasn't funny to you?